What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to change mouse pointer size in Windows 11. Rather than changing the mouse pointer size, we will show you more of the settings, how you have to change the setting related to mouse in Windows 11. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification and give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Alright, so what exactly you have to do to change the mouse pointer size in Windows 11, and a part of that, what are the settings you'll see in Windows 11. You simply have to click on Windows icon and you'll see the settings in here. The interface of Windows 11 is quite different than the Windows 10, so you'll get this option in the different place. You have to click on accessibility. Here you can see a lot of settings, so you have to click on mouse pointer and touch setting. By holding this option, you can increase or you can decrease the size of the pointer. I like to keep it 3 because that helps my viewer to understand where exactly is the pointer. If you want to increase, you know that how you have to do it. If you want to change the overview of your pointer, then you can select the black as well, like Mac PC. Or if you would like to go with this option, then you can select this, as you know that what are the things gonna come up. If you want to make changes to other things as well, then here you can see all those settings. A part of that, let me take you to the other settings which you have done in the Windows 10, and the same how that mouse property window comes up in Windows 11. You simply have to click on mouse. Here you'll see few of the other settings which you can change, so you simply have to click and you can move these options, and you can increase or decrease line to scroll at a time. You can increase or decrease that option. You can slide that option from left to right. It's completely up to you. So let me show you the option how you can open the mouse property. You simply have to click on additional mouse setting, click on this option, or either you can click on this one as well. Now you have the mouse properties. From here you can change a lot of other settings. As you already know, the button option, the pointer, you can change the settings from here. After selecting the different pointer, you have to click on apply, or either you can click on browse to change the cursor look. As you can see in here, make sure you download the file type properly so that you can change it properly. If you are trying to change the image of your pointer to any other pointer, then on internet you can find a lot of files for to change the overview of your pointer like gamer used to do. So from here you can upload that image. If you want to change pointer options, then you can select that option from here, and you can select this option as well. You can see when I click on control key, then I can see this option. Simply click on apply and OK, and you'll see the difference in here. Wheel settings you can change from here. The hardware you can change from here. If you like to go with the property option or you want to update the driver, you can do that from here. So that's all for today. These are the settings you have to do in Windows 11 to change the size of the mouse or to change any settings on the mouse. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.